Once upon a time, in a deep forest, there resided a beautiful parrot. The parrot was extremely magnificent and lived there with his brother. One day, a hunter was passing through the forest when the parrots caught his eyes. He said, "These will make a great present for the king." He set up a trap and caught the parrots. He then took them to the king and presented them as a gift. The king was extremely happy to have received such a beautiful gift. He ordered his servant to put the parrot in a golden cage and ordered them to take care of a parrot day and night. The parrots were well taken care of and feed the most delicious food the king's palace had to offer. The servant ran about to keep the parrots comfortable. Even the young prince to play with the parrots. The young prince treated them with almost care and respect and loved the parrots. One day, the younger parrot exclaimed, "Brother, we are so lucky to have been brought here." The older parrot replied, "Yes, we are." The elder brother parrot replied, "Yes, we are lucky and hunter brought us here." Then the younger parrot said, "Our lives in the palace are so comfortable. We have everything here, and above all, we are so loved." The parrots were very happy in a palace. Their needs were looked after and they were loved. They had quickly become the center of attraction then.